Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you guys can hear me right now. We're out here again at the same location as my last haunt hunting video, and we're out here in a blizzard. We're supposed to get between 20 to 40 centimeters, maybe more, something around there. You never know. Yeah, I got the wood stove all set up, I got the tent all set up, I got a guide out, as you can see, and I don't even know if you guys can hear me right now. It's pretty snowy out, so like I say, yeah, we're supposed to get quite a bit of snow, and for you Americans, that's about, you know, roughly a foot of snow that we might, be getting here. So yeah, right around 11 point something inches, so right around 12 inches of snow. So that's a foot. That's quite a bit of snow. We're expecting some high winds, as you guys can see right now, but it's supposed to get even worse during the night. So this is gonna be a pretty interesting video. I got my hood up right now. I'm pretty chilled right now, and I don't have my I don't have my winter jacket on right now, but this is just my anorak, more like a fall jacket, but I am gonna be putting on probably a heavier jacket here later. But I'm gonna have to get the wood stove cracking to get it warm in there. We might get a coffee going or some drink or something like that, and then we're gonna be cooking supper later in the video. So this is gonna be a pretty action-packed video, pretty crazy. We're out here, middle of a blizzard, guys, so you guys stay tuned, and it should be a pretty interesting episode. Okay guys, so we're in the tent right now. As you can see, it's extremely windy right now. There's some pretty tall drifts out there as well. Quite a bit of snow, and the snow's forming around the tent right now. So we're gonna be in for a night. I'm just gonna check the weather for you guys right now, just so we can see what the weather says for tonight. So right now it's around -3, and it obviously says heavy snow. The wind direction and speed right now is northeast 25 kilometers an hour. So that's like, you know, steady, I'd say, but there are gusts up to, like, I don't know, just a second ago, like right now it's not too bad, but just a second ago it was super windy. Like, I don't know, it was like 80 kilometers, I don't know, because it said before the gusts were going to be between 80 and maybe 90 kilometers an hour, which is so fast. I mean, it is a blizzard after all. Just gonna try to find the best position for this light. I got a light out here just powering off my little battery pack, and I'm still not quite used to it, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, it's supposed to keep snowing here. It's supposed to be heavy snow, then it's supposed to just kind of start slowing down, then it's supposed to stop snowing for a couple hours, then it's supposed to pick up again. So we'll see what happens. I'm really not entirely sure. But like I say, this is a blizzard, so. But the weather does say it's supposed to stop snowing by like 5 a.m. in the morning, and then it's supposed to get just cloudy, and then it's supposed to be sunny. Yeah, we'll see what happens, guys. I'm pretty excited. But right now I think I'm gonna get a fire going in the wood stove, and we're gonna get a cup of tea going. I did bring along a bag of Earl Grey, so we are gonna drink that. And I need to get some snow to melt into water, so I'm gonna go grab some snow outside. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to film it. There's actually some snow piling up inside here, so I might grab that too. But yeah. Needless to say, we're gonna get the wood stove going. We're gonna get a cup of tea on the stove. Also, I forgot to mention, it is 5 p.m. right now, so it actually is getting on in the evening. But yeah, just want to mention that. So it gets dark around here like right around 5:15, so getting dark outside. And then adding on the blizzard on top, it just makes it super dark. Yeah, we're gonna get the stove rolling, and we're gonna get a cup of tea on the stove. Alrighty guys, I have got the fire going in here. I'll show you guys here really quick. Just there is the fire right there, and it's roaring away. Got some good wood in there, so. And I'm gonna have to get my sleep system set up, but I'll probably just do that off camera. I just got a basic not a foam mat, sorry. I got 2 mats I'm probably gonna lay down. I'll lay down at least one of them, and then I got just a basic sleeping bag. It's not even a winter sleeping bag, but I think I'll be warm enough that probably should be good. Alright guys, so it's about a few minutes later, a couple minutes later, and I'm making an executive decision. We're not having any tea. We're just gonna eat the snow. So yeah. Reason being is I thought this tin cup would work, but I knew that there's a coating on here and I didn't burn it off beforehand. I thought it wouldn't be that big of a deal, but turns out it's actually kind of strong and I don't really want to suffocate in here, so. Cheers guys, here's some snow. Cheers. Ooh, cold. Pretty good though, refreshing. All right, so it's actually pretty warm in here. I can't tell you exactly how warm it is, but I'd say it's well above freezing. It's probably, I don't know. What I'm gonna do is I might actually go grab a teapot or something whenever I grab my food that I'm gonna cook up here, and I might grab that so we can actually make a tea, because I kind of feel bad because I do want a tea as well, so. But anyways guys, I'm just gonna let some time pass and then we'll get cooking and hopefully drinking some tea if I can find a pot to use. Hey guys, how's it going? I'm out here in the tent. It's time check. What's the time? Let me just check the time for you guys. It is 10:55 p.m. So it is getting on in the evening. I'm gonna be frank with you guys. I don't think I'm gonna be cooking anything. Just the way I'm really tired right now, and yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be cooking anything tonight. But I do have a lot of wood here. I'll show you my little setup here. I got some wood here and wood right there. I'm gonna be sleeping right here. Like I say, I got my sleeping bag. You guys can see. I'd like to have a tarp here, but it just didn't really turn out, so I'm just gonna have to kind of stay on here. It would be nice to have a tarp so I can kind of, be a little more comfortable. But the edges might get a little bit wet, but I should be pretty dry and lofty up here on the pad. And yeah, I got the wood stove right here, so I kind of just swiveled it around a little bit. That way I can kind of load it in a little bit easier. But yeah, I got my hatchet right there, my axe. And I've got my LED light kind of up here right now. This is actually pretty sweet, just saying. This light's kind of sweet. So, yeah, it is actually pretty warm in here right now. I'm pretty comfortable actually with this temperature, so that's pretty good. I think the winds have died down a little bit. They were originally supposed to die down around 3, but now they're not as bad as they were before, so that's really good. I'm happy with that. So hopefully we can keep the winds. Hopefully they stay down, because I really don't like it when it's windy like this. So anyways, yeah, gonna have to keep checking the fire, but yeah, it should be kind of a toasty night, so hopefully it'll be nice and comfy. So I'm probably just gonna, yeah, chillax and try to fall asleep, and I will see you guys in the morning. I'll let you know. Hopefully the night's not too eventful. I hope I just fall asleep and wake up in the morning, but I'll probably end up having to load it a bunch and stuff. So anyways guys, thank you guys for tuning in so far. I will catch you guys in the morning. Good morning guys. It is 5:30, something like that in the morning. Pretty early still, but fire's still kind of going there. There's some heat still pumping out of it. It's warm to the touch still, but what I did was I had winter boots on, and I kept the liners on my feet. My feet were toasty, and actually that was a pretty good strategy, so I'll definitely keep that in mind for next time. Nothing too crazy. I'll probably let some time pass. It's pretty early still, but yeah, good morning guys. And yesterday night was pretty good, and it was a blizzard, and it's still windy outside. But yeah, it was pretty darn windy last night. Still pretty windy, but yeah, man. Good morning, guys. Wow, last night was interesting, I'll tell you that much. So it was extremely windy, more like it was windier than it is now, and yeah, I didn't really sleep very well. But yeah, I did persevere through, and I stayed here till the morning, and then I had to kind of call it because I couldn't sleep very well. But I did, you know, stay overnight. It was, I think I left it around maybe like 5 something like that. And yeah, so I'm pretty happy with this. The reason like I say, the reason I had to leave was like the wind was like infernal. You have to understand that these winds are like super strong, like gusts, like, well, they were gusts up to 80, but it was pretty constant high wind, and I just couldn't sleep. So those hours, like those almost 6 hours that I spent like in here, a lot of it was just me awake. But yeah, I did it for you guys. So I did stay overnight. I just kind of left a little bit earlier in the morning. But yeah. So I didn't actually cook any food in this video. I feel kind of bad. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let you guys pick what I cook on the next overnight adventure. Next time I'm not doing it in high winds. Last time I actually did it in pretty windy conditions. This time I did it in a blizzard. But next time I'm probably not gonna do it in a blizzard or windy conditions, because it's just really hard to sleep when it's like that. But next time I will get you guys to pick the food. So what I'm gonna get you guys to do is leave your suggestion for the food in the comments down below, and I will take those into consideration when I'm, you know, figuring out what I want to cook for that particular overnight. So these two kind of in this location were more so testing out the tent and stuff, because I am pretty close to my house where this location is. I am gonna have to sign off for you guys for now. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this adventure. It was crazy, and this is the second kind of trip in my series of testing out this tent. I'm very comfortable with it now. I'm pretty comfortable with the stove, and I'm comfortable with the tent. So you guys expect some awesome overnight adventures coming up to you guys, and yeah. Anyways, guys, we'll catch you guys in the next episode. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good day. God bless.